Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use SnapTube to search for the videos we want to download. First, you will need to open your SnapTube application. Here we have the search bar. Let's search for the video how to unlock videos, photos and music on SnapTube. SnapTube, then search. So guys, here is the video how to unlock videos, photos and music on SnapTube. If you want to download this video, we will have to click on it. Then we look for the download icon. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.